Imagine facing an enemy, not of flesh and blood, but steel and circuits. In 1991, during the Gulf War, something truly unprecedented happened. Human soldiers surrendered to a machine, a U.S. Pioneer drone. It was the first recorded surrender to a robot, a silent whisper of what was to come. And today, that whisper is a roar. Are these machines merely tools, or are we on the brink of delegating the ultimate power, the power of life and death, to artificial intelligence? Autonomous military robotics are complex systems capable of executing military tasks with varying degrees of independence, from basic reconnaissance to lethal engagement. Think of it like a spectrum. On one end, you have a remote-controlled toy car, where you're always in the loop directing every turn. On the other, a fully self-driving car, making decisions on its own, out of the loop. Our journey explores how these AI-powered machines are fundamentally reshaping warfare, ushering in what experts call the third revolution, as significant as gunpowder or even nuclear weapons. The very idea of autonomous warfare isn't new. Nikola Tesla envisioned it back in 1898 with his radio-controlled boat, which many dismissed as sorcery. World War II saw precursors like the German Goliath-tracked mines. But the real acceleration began with the integration of GPS into drones in 1995 and the explosive deployment in conflicts like the Iraq War, where robot numbers soared from 150 in 2004 to over 12,000 by 2008. This rapid evolution, much like going from sending letters by pigeon to instant global video calls in just a few decades, continues its relentless pace, with the autonomous military robotics market projected to exceed a staggering USD $32.50 billion by 2030. Today, these systems are no longer futuristic concepts. The U.S. Replicator initiative aims to deploy thousands of AI-enabled autonomous vehicles by 2026, from ground vehicles like the THeMIS, clearing mines and scouting, to aerial drones for surveillance and strikes, and even naval ghost fleets patrolling our oceans. These machines are already integral. The U.S. Army is even testing robot dogs equipped with AI-driven gun turrets, while we've seen suicide drones controlled by AI in the Ukraine conflict. Disturbingly, reports from conflicts in Libya in 2020 and Gaza in 2021 suggest that killer robots like the Kargu 2 are already documented in use, autonomously selecting and engaging targets without human oversight, confirming that the age of autonomous lethal weapons is undeniably here. This rapid advancement, however, plunges us into an intense ethical debate, particularly around lethal autonomous weapon systems, or LAWS. If a machine makes a fatal error, who is truly responsible? Is it the programmer, the commander, or the machine itself? This is what's known as the vacuum of moral responsibility. Advocates argue that robots, devoid of emotion, might conduct more humane warfare, reducing human casualties and acting with greater precision. Yet critics warn that robots can't exercise human judgment, distinguish civilians, or understand the concept of proportionality. They highlight the grave risks of unpredictable algorithms and rapid escalation, akin to asking a self-driving car to decide who lives or dies in a complex accident. Our cars have safety protocols, but can we truly program human empathy and judgment into a battlefield robot? The UN General Assembly supports global discussion on this, with over 100 countries advocating for a ban, yet international agreements remain stalled. Interestingly, some military experts suggest a paradox. Future warfare with advanced robotics might actually demand more soldiers for the complex maintenance, programming, and oversight of these sophisticated systems. The frontiers of autonomous military robotics are breathtaking. Imagine swarm technology, where thousands of drones coordinate to overwhelm defenses, or human-machine teaming, where AI enhances human decision-making rather than replacing it entirely. Companies like Anduril are already planning to integrate AI pilots into advanced fighter jets, and this technology is now stretching into space. However, this relentless innovation fuels an AI arms race, where nations compete to gain strategic dominance, risking global destabilization. Conflicts could become faster and potentially spiral out of human control, much like flash crashes in financial markets, where algorithmic trading causes rapid, unforeseen collapses. Autonomous military robotics represents a profound technological leap, redefining conflict as much as gunpowder or nuclear weapons. The choice is ours, to passively observe this revolution or actively shape its ethical boundaries. How we navigate this future will define not only warfare, but our very humanity. Explore further, discuss these critical questions, and help shape the future of autonomous systems. Your voice matters.